Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's extremely useful English expression is lock horns. Lock horns. To lock horns. Lock horns. Lock horns. Lock as if you are locking a door. Horns. These are horns. On an animal, horns. Lock horns. This is a saying that is used to describe conflict. It is used to describe when two or more people get into an argument or a fight. The origin of the expression is from when two wild animals, like stags, get into a fight over territory or an argument, and they lock horns together. They bang their horns together, and if they get locked together, they're in trouble. And often when they start a fight, their horns get locked together, which means they can't break free. They are locked together in combat forever. We've all been there. So, to clarify, to lock horns with someone is starting a fight or being involved in a fight or a conflict or an argument where no one wants to give in and the argument will just go on and on and on. You're locked horns. You are locked into the fight. For example, the office manager loves to lock horns with the new members of staff, which means the office manager likes to start a conflict with new members of staff to probably assert their authority. Or alternatively, it might not be something personal. It could be two MPs, two members of parliament from opposite sides could lock horns over a new law or a traffic bill or an amendment. So, opposing MPs locked horns over the new traffic bill. On the positive side, you could describe someone who does not like conflict as someone who would never lock horns. They'd never lock horns with anyone. They're just not that kind of person. They're very calm and placid and friendly. There we are. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you don't have to lock horns with anyone today. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another extremely useful English word or phrase that you can use every day. Thank you. Bye-bye.